Welcome back to another exciting video on rare and valuable coins. If you're a collector, investor, or just someone curious about the hidden treasures in your pocket change, then you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving deep into the top two most valuable $1 coins, the Susan B. Anthony dollar and the Sacagawea dollar. These coins are often overlooked, but trust me, some of them are worth serious money in today's market. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which versions of these coins to look for, how rare they are, and just how much they could be worth today. Let's get started. First up, the 1979 Susan B. Anthony $1 coin with the P Mint mark is one of the most sought-after collectibles in today's numismatic market. This remarkable coin holds not only historical significance, but also immense value among collectors, especially when found in excellent condition with its silver-toned appearance. As demand for rare and valuable coins continues to rise, this particular coin has become a shining star, attracting attention from seasoned collectors and new investors alike. If you're lucky enough to own one, you may be holding a true hidden gem that's worth far more than its face value. The Susan B. Anthony dollar was introduced in 1979 to honor one of America's most influential women's rights activists. It was the first U.S. coin to feature a real historical female figure, making it a groundbreaking release in American currency. The coin was designed by Frank Gasparo, and its distinct appearance set it apart from other dollar coins. Despite its initial intent to replace paper dollar bills, the coin faced limited circulation due to its similarity in size to a quarter, leading to confusion among the public. However, while it may not have been widely used at the time, it has since gained legendary status among collectors, with certain versions, like the 1979 P Mint mark in silver-toned condition, fetching incredible prices in today's market. Unique features of the coin. One of the most distinguishing features of the 1979 Susan B. Anthony dollar is its bold and innovative design. The obverse showcases a powerful portrait of Susan B. Anthony, a true symbol of justice and equality, surrounded by 13 stars representing the original colonies. The reverse features a stunning depiction of an eagle landing on the moon, an image inspired by the Apollo 11 mission, symbolizing America's leadership in space exploration. The coin's P Mint mark, indicating its production at the Philadelphia Mint, further enhances its desirability. What makes this coin even more special is the rare silver-like toning that some examples exhibit, making them highly prized by collectors. The striking luster and unique visual appeal of these coins set them apart from ordinary circulated versions, making them a centerpiece in any serious collection. Rarity and condition for collector demand. Finding a 1979 Susan B. Anthony dollar with a P Mint mark in excellent condition is no easy feat. While millions were produced, high-grade examples with a flawless or near-flawless surface are much harder to come by. Coins that have been well preserved, showing minimal signs of wear and featuring that desirable silver-toned brilliance, are considered exceptionally rare. Collectors actively seek these top-tier specimens, as their scarcity and pristine state significantly increase their value. With interest in numismatic treasures continuously growing, the demand for high-quality Susan B. Anthony dollars remains stronger than ever. Current market value in dollars. The value of the 1979 Susan B. Anthony dollar with a P Mint mark varies based on its condition, but those in excellent or uncirculated condition with a stunning silver-like luster have been commanding impressive prices in the market. While circulated versions may still hold some collector value, it is the near-mint to perfect-grade coins that truly stand out. In top condition, these coins have been known to sell for anywhere between $370,000 and in some cases even higher at auctions, depending on unique attributes and collector demand. As numismatics continue to gain popularity and rare coins appreciate over time, the value of this extraordinary piece is expected to climb even further, making it a fantastic investment for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Tips for collectors. For those looking to acquire or maintain a 1979 Susan B. Anthony dollar in top condition, careful handling and proper storage are essential. Always keep the coin in a protective holder or slab to prevent damage and preserve its pristine condition. If you're searching for one, be sure to check reputable dealers, auction houses, or coin shows where certified and graded coins are available. Additionally, keeping an eye on the latest numismatic trends and auction results can provide insight into market fluctuations and potential value increases. Whether you're a long-time collector or just starting, adding this stunning coin to your collection is a decision you won't regret. 1979 Susan B. Anthony $1 coin with a P mint mark, especially in excellent condition with a silver-toned brilliance, is a rare and valuable treasure in today's numismatic world. Its historical importance, unique design, and increasing market demand make it a must-have for collectors seeking high-value coins. With its potential for further appreciation, owning one of these exceptional pieces could be a rewarding investment. If you have one in your collection, you may be holding on to a true hidden fortune. Next up, the 2001 Sacagawea $1 coin with a P mint mark in very fine condition and gold-plated for added rarity. This coin is an absolute treasure in the numismatic world, and its increasing demand is making it a true gem for collectors and investors alike. If you own one of these or are looking to add it to your collection, you're in for some fantastic insights. The Sacagawea dollar was first introduced in the year 2000 by the U.S. Mint as a way to honor Sacagawea, the Native American woman who played a crucial role in guiding the Lewis and Clark expedition. The design was carefully chosen to reflect her historical significance, featuring her carrying her infant son Jean-Baptiste on the obverse. This beautiful golden coin replaced the Susan B. Anthony dollar and was designed to have a smooth, golden appearance, even though it was originally made from a copper core alloy with a manganese brass outer layer. The P mint mark indicates that this coin was minted in Philadelphia, one of the most significant U.S. mint facilities. What makes this specific 2001 P Sacagawea dollar stand out is its gold-plated finish, which elevates its rarity and appeal in the collector's market. While the original Sacagawea dollars were not solid gold, some were specially gold-plated, making them highly desirable among numismatists. The golden sheen enhances its aesthetic appeal, giving it a truly premium look. Additionally, the coin's distinct smooth edge, bold design, and historical representation make it a true masterpiece. Many collectors prize these coins not just for their beauty, but also for their growing market potential. Collectors know that rarity and condition play the most significant roles in determining a coin's value. The 2001 Sacagawea dollar with a P mint mark in very fine condition is becoming harder to find, as many of these coins have been used in circulation, reducing their pristine state. Coins that remain in well-preserved condition, especially with gold plating, are considered rare treasures. Since the demand for unique and well-kept Sacagawea dollars has been rising, those with special plating, color variations, and mint marks are becoming prime targets for collectors. If you have one of these, you own something truly valuable. In today's action-packed coin market, the 2001 P Sacagawea gold-plated dollar is commanding strong prices. The value depends on the condition, but well-preserved, very fine condition pieces can fetch anywhere from $800,000 or even more, especially if they have unique toning or historical significance. Some special editions and proof-like versions have been known to sell for even higher prices at auctions. With the growing interest in rare and aesthetically striking coins, the potential for value appreciation is massive. The demand continues to surge as collectors and investors recognize the beauty and significance of this gold-plated rarity. If you're a collector looking to capitalize on this high-demand coin, here are a few tips. First, always ensure that your coin is stored properly to maintain its golden luster and prevent damage. Using protective coin holders or airtight cases can significantly preserve its condition. Second, when buying or selling, always verify authenticity by purchasing from reputable dealers or checking with grading agencies to ensure you're getting the best value. Lastly, keep an eye on auction trends and market fluctuations. This coin's value is only expected to rise as more collectors seek it out. In conclusion, the 2001 Sacagawea $1 coin with a P mint mark in very fine condition, gold-plated, is an absolute treasure in today's numismatic world. With its unique golden beauty, historical significance, and increasing demand, it stands out as a must-have for serious collectors. The market for rare coins is thriving, and owning one of these could mean holding on to a piece of numismatic history that continues to appreciate in value. If you have one, consider yourself lucky. Make sure to keep it in top condition, and you could see its value soar even higher in the coming years. Keep collecting, keep discovering, and stay tuned for more exciting videos on rare and valuable coins.